Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find deleted apps on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to find your deleted apps, so let's see how can you do that. So using your iPhone, you can easily access your deleted apps. So it will use your Apple ID, not your physical iPhone. So you can easily select or you can easily check your deleted apps of recent years. So open your App Store here. Tap on your profile option in the top right corner, and here you just have to select purchase history. So in history, you'll get all of the apps you have deleted or you have installed on your iPhone. So if you can't find anything here, so you can see that there's the results are this filter that's showing up to last 90 days and it's paid. So it's mean that it's showing the paid apps here. So if you don't have any paid apps purchased, you will not get anything here. You just have to tap on change filters, and here select cost, and you just have to select free from here if you use free apps. So here just tap on date range, and you can also select this year or your last year. So I'm going to select this year from here, then tap on done option. So you'll get the results. You'll get all the apps which you have installed this year, or you can also check the apps for your last year. So from here you can easily see that which app is on your iPhone or which not by tapping on that and here. So in this way you can easily find your deleted apps on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.